This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Introducing our first brushless XL 18-volt Combi drill. A game changer that offers professional grade performance without breaking the bank. This remarkable machine gives you 2 speed gears, providing you a flexibility of choosing a higher torque and a maximum RPM for those demanding tasks. But that's not all. This drill is packed with some incredible features. With 20 clutch settings, it delivers a robust of 45 Newton meters of torque. It can rev up to 1,800 RPM and deliver a whopping 27,000 beats per minute. It is equipped with a 30mm keyless chuck. Changing bits has never been easier. When working in dark areas like this, the machine is equipped with a powerful LED light which will brighten your workspace. And don't overlook its sleek and compact design, which is perfect for those hard to reach tight spaces. Plus it's compatible with all XL 18-volt 2A and 5A batteries. So comparing it to the standard 18-volt brushed Combi drill compared to the brushless newer version, much more sexier, much more compact, and also much more powerful. You can purchase it as a body only, or if you want, you can buy in a toolkit where it comes with 1 battery, a charger, and a tool bag exclusively on toolstotrade.co.uk. If you have any questions or need any extra information, feel free to drop a comment and we'll reply straight away. So subscribe on our channel on Tools to Trade.